So guys, today we are going to start with the chapter statistics. So first tell me whether you are aware about this chapter. Have you done this chapter? How many of you have done this chapter, or you are somewhat know about this chapter? How many over here? Okay, now let's start with
No.
statistics. Okay, statistics. Why do we actually use statistics? Yeah, the one who has already done, can you please tell me why do we use statistics in maths? The one who has done, what is the use of
to
statistics?
inter to
Yeah,
interpret data and express the figures and data in a graphical format or
yeah,
any other
graphical
kind of
format. But why do we
To
do it in a
show,
graphical format?
yeah,
What is the reason?
to identify
for
trends
giving
like
information.
Yeah, to giving
uh,
information, yes. Now to read the information quickly, right? Now if we have a graph, right? If we have a graph of so many, means how many students you have, what is the height of the student, what are the heights of the student? If we graphically plot it, and then how many students are there who has the maximum height, you can easily read it, right? To read the data easily and to
It's
get the,
easier to interpret.
yeah, what?
It's easier to interpret.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
To
Yeah.
it is easy to understand. It is easy to read the data. It is easy to quickly read the data. Okay. So for that, that is the main purpose of writing, means doing a statistics and maths. Okay. So the first thing which we have is the bar chart. I hope you guys are aware about. First thing is bar chart, right? Bar charts are normally drawn like this. Means there will be x and y axis like this. There will be x and y axis like this, and there will be some data like, means if you have what is the height of children's and what is the population in year. If suppose in 1976 the population was, suppose one whatever 10 crores, okay, and in 1986 the population grew to 11 crores, like that, okay, 11 crore. So in that way we can represent the data. Okay.
So,
Yeah,
are bar charts close? I mean, from here it should start, no? When you
from,
ended 1976, from there.
yeah, from there it should start, you are saying. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, it can but it is not compulsory that every time you have to start from the end only. It is not compulsory in the bar chart. Yeah, but the data which you write over here on the
But then
y-axis.
how will you see if it is 1976
Hmm.
to 1978 exact?
Yeah.
Then if you want to start, you can't
See,
start from 1979, right? You have to start
see,
from
I'll
1978.
tell you. Suppose if
I
over
mean, then
here the,
Rahi, you have to use a histogram. Then you can
yeah,
go
continuously
for
like,
the
back.
histogram,
yeah.
yeah, for the histogram you don't have to leave the space. Right? For drawing the bar
Oh,
chart, you can directly start from here, or you can also start, you can leave some space and you can start from here also. That is fine. Even if you draw it like this, that is fine. If you draw the bar chart like this, if you can leave the space in the beginning in the bar chart. But in the histogram, you cannot leave it because you have to draw it accordingly. Because in the histogram, we also have to calculate the area of the histogram, and in that way, we calculate some other things. Okay. So now this is what the bar chart is. That normally how do we draw the bar chart? Now the next thing which we have is pie chart. Pie chart is normally means it is basically in circle. Okay, and means you must have seen this type of pie chart somewhere in your somewhere. See like this. The pie charts are like this. The pie charts are like this. You can take an example, means anything example, how many what is the quantity of this, what is the quantity of this. See, if you have trees in your garden, okay, you have trees in your garden, okay, how many of different kind of trees you have, right? What kind of different type of trees, what is the percentage of trees, you can mention them over here, right? So in this way the pie charts are represented. Now let's do some examples based on this pie chart and bar chart. Okay. So the first exercise which we have, let's start with the exercise only over here. Now what is given? The bar chart shows the number of children playing various games on a given day. You can see over here also the bar chart is not directly starting from the beginning. They have left some space in the beginning. Okay. So what games had the least number of players? Now over here on the x-axis they have represented the means the the sport. The sport they have represented. Tennis, hockey, netball, football, squash, rugby. Okay. And over here they on the y-axis what they have represented, this is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. These are the bar chart shows the number of children playing various games on a given day. Means these are the number of children's. Number of children is represented on the y-axis. Now what they have asked, which game had the least number of players? Now by using this bar graph we can easily,
Wash.
yeah, exactly. It is squash because this has the lowest number. That is the basically main use of statistics because we can read the data very easily and quickly. What was the total number of children playing all the games? Means what was the total number of childrens? So over here there are Rabbi, there were 20 students. Over here there were 40 students. Over here there are 35 students.
160, sir.
Yeah, whatever. Means it is 10. Over here it is 50 and over here it is 5. So you have to add all the numbers, means 50 plus 40 plus 35 plus 10 plus 5 and plus 20, right? You have to add all of them, right? So what you'll get, 5 plus 5, that is 10, and then 6, 10, 13,
160.
14, 15, 16, 160. So there are 160 children who are playing in the garden. This is very easy thing. How many more footballers were there than tennis player? More footballers. There were 50 footballers and there were 40.
10.
That's 10. 50 minus 40. Okay, that gives you 10. Next. Now let's solve the next problem. Now over here, the table shows the number of cars of different makes in a car park. Illustrate this data on a bar chart. Now we have to illustrate this data on the bar chart. Okay. So I'll use a graph paper in this. Just a minute. Now over here, I'll be using a graph paper to draw this bar chart. Now the table shows the number of cars of different makes in a car park. Illustrate this data on a bar chart, right? So we'll draw the x-axis and y-axis first. So let's draw the x and y-axis. Okay, this is your x and y-axis. Now what all things you have in this bar chart? There are the table shows the number of cars of different cars in a car park. Illustrate this data on the bar chart. So there are 14 cars of Skoda. So let's, if I write Skoda over here, and there are 14, so I will write it, I will space them by, see what maximum numbers you have, 42, right? So what you can do is you can take each as 5, then 10, then this is 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45 and 50. That is sufficient to write this data. Now 14 cars were of Skoda, so 14 will come just below it. So it will be over here and we can draw the graph. Fine, this was for Skoda. Next is Renault. There are 23 cars. So let's write Renault.
Sir, how
Yeah,
do you make it out that
yeah.
I keep forgetting what should be on X and Y axis?
On X
Then
and Y
how do you
axis.
decide it?
Okay, see that
Yeah.
whenever there is count, the counts are always represented on the Y axis.
Okay.
Got it? Whenever there is a count of something, so the counts or the
Mhm.
number of readings, whatever the readings are there, that will be represented on the Y axis.
Okay, so
Okay,
in a
and
table, can you just do that like whatever is like on upside, I
yeah,
mean
yeah,
make
yeah, yeah,
that
yeah,
is X and below
yeah, yeah,
part
yeah,
is.
yeah, obviously. This is what the numbers which you have over here. Okay. Now the next thing is we'll draw the Renault and it has 23 as the reading. So 23 will come where this is 20 and 23 will come in between of that, right? This will be your 23. And now you can draw it with scale properly. I'm using a rough hand over here. Okay. Next. Next is Saab. What is this? Which car is this? I did not see this. Saab. Next is Kia. Kia recently came in India. Okay, the other one is Subaru, and the other one is Lexus. Chalo. Now, this is Lexus. Now, Saab is 37. So 37, where it will be 37 above 35. So it will be somewhere 35 in between 35. I'm drawing a rough diagram over here. Then Kia has 5, 8. Next is 42, that is 42. If this is your 40 and this is your 43, it will be less than this. Okay, and the last one it is Lexus. Lexus has 18. So 18 will come between 20, 15 and 20. Okay. So this is how you get the bar chart. Okay, the table shows the number of cars of different makes in car park. Illustrate this data on a bar chart. You can represent like this. Have any doubt in this? This is very easy actually.
No, sir.
Clear? No doubt, no? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Now let's go to the next question which we have. Yeah. Now the next one is the pie chart. Okay, the pie chart illustrates the values of various goods sold by a certain shop. If the total value of the sales was $24,000, find the sales value, right? Now over here they have given a pie chart. Now a pie chart has been given with degrees over here. Now what is the total number of degrees in a circle?
360.
360, right? That is total is 360. So what will be the angle for food? So angle for food, let's solve it. Angle for food will be 360 minus 45 plus 60 plus 90. If you subtract them, you'll get the angle for food. So this will be 360 minus, that is 150, 150 plus 45, that is 195. And 360 minus 200 is 160. Then it is 165, right? It is 165. So the angle for food will be 165 degrees. Fine. Now what they have asked, find the sales value of toys. You have to find what is the sales value of toys. Now it is 45 degree in the pie chart. We know that the total degree is 360 degree. And also the total value of the sales was 24,000 according to all of them. Means toys, grass seed, records and food. For all of them you have 24,000 as the total sales. Total sales. So what is the, if the, find the value of sales of toys. Now toys sales, if you want to calculate, it will be what is the degree? That is 45. It is 45 degree of how much? That is 360 degree. And just multiply with whatever is the total value, that is 24,000. If you multiply this, you will get what is the toy sales. Now what we have done, whatever is the angle for that toys, and this is the total angle because this is the 45 part of the 360, right? That's why it is 45 upon 360 and multiplied with 24,000. Now this 0 and 0 cancel. You can use a calculator over here. Divided by 36.
Sir, I have a
3,000.
question.
Yeah.
Can you do 45 upon 360 times 100 to get the percentage?
To get the percentage. Yeah, that can
I
also
mean,
be
it's an
done.
extra step, but like just asking if it
Yeah,
will work.
you will get a percentage of it. See, even if you want to calculate in terms of percentage, then 45 upon 360 into 100, if you'll do, then you'll get the percentage, right? 45, that is means the answer will be for this, it will be, it is
10 upon 8.
450 divided by 36. That is 12.5. Means it is 12.5 percentage. Now what is 12.5 percentage of 24,000? That will be 3,000.
Awesome.
That can also be done. You can do it in that way also. Got it? Now what is the sales value of grass seed? So what you will do? It is 60 parts of 360, no? So 60 by 360 into whatever is the total sales value. Got it? You guys tell me.
4,000.
Yeah, what means, yeah, that's right. Now you guys tell me what it will be for food. We have
You have to
found,
send it in the chat.
yeah, you have to send it.
165.
165 is the angle.
No, no, I'm telling the steps.
Okay, okay, okay. No, no, you have to tell the answer. Okay. Now let's move to the next question. Now the next question is, the table shows the color of random selection of sweets. Calculate the angle in pie chart corresponding to each color. Okay. So they have given, you have to represent this in a pie chart. Okay. You have to represent this in a pie chart. Now how you will calculate the, first you have to draw the pie chart. First you have to calculate the angles. Okay. And according to the angles, we will be drawing the pie chart. Okay. So what is the total numbers first? The table shows the colors of random selections of sweets. So what is the total numbers first? They have given the color red, there are 5 numbers, green, there are 7 numbers, for blue, there are 11. So first calculate what is the total numbers. So the total will represent that 360. So total is how much? 5 plus 7 plus 11 plus 4 plus 9. That gives you 11 plus 9 is 20. 20, then,
36.
yeah, 25. Yeah, I'm adding it. 25, 29, 36. Yeah. So that is 36. Okay. So this is the total 36. Okay. So angle for each number. Angle for each number. Each number will be 36. Sorry, 360 is the total number of angles which we have. And the total numbers which we have, that is 36. So if we calculate that, you get 10 degrees. So for each numbers we have to take 10 degrees. Means if you want to draw for red, means for red, if you want to
50.
calculate for red, so for red it will be 10 into 5, that gives you 50 degree, right? So if I want to draw that 50 degree, how I will draw? If suppose this is my pie chart which I'm going to draw, so this should be 50 degree. This should be 50 degree for red. Next is green. For green it should be 70 degrees. Okay, let's draw that 70 degree. See, I'm not using a this D over here. You can use a D to draw the 70 degree, 50 degree and everything. Yeah. So let's say this is your 70 degree, which is green. Next is blue. Blue will be 110 degree. It will be an obtuse angle. So accordingly I will draw.
Sir, but how do you draw it with protractor? I didn't understand.
Okay, how do you draw it with protector? So for that I will have to take the protector over here. See,
No, no, no. But you can just explain why, like with a line.
okay, okay, I'll explain. Fine, I'll explain. See, when I want to draw this 110 degree, okay, what I will do, this kind of protector you have, okay, there is a center over here. This center you will place over here, okay, and you will measure where is 110 degree. The 110 degree will come somewhere over here, and then you will remove this D. Then you will remove this D, and you will join these two lines, and you get 110 degree. Got it?
And also, how did you get 80?
How did you get 80? Where is 80? It is 50.
Yeah. How did you?
Yeah. How
And
do you
so
get?
you multiplied 5 into 10. Like,
Yeah, that is 50. And you can, for the 51, you can draw any line and then put a protector over here. See, first, if I draw this first line over here, if I have drawn this first line over here, you can put the D like this over here and take 50 degree wherever it comes. Put a point, remove that D and draw the line. You'll get 50 degree. The first line can be drawn anywhere on the circle. It's not compulsory that you have to draw it horizontal only, nothing compulsory. Got it? Yes.
yeah.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
this will be for
Yes.
blue. This will be for blue. The next is 40 degree. 40 degree will be, you can again, you have to, how you have to draw the 40 degree. See, you have to put your D over here like this. Put the center over here. The 40 degree will be somewhere over here. Put a point over here. Now remove the D and then join the center and the point which you have drawn. Please try by yourself whether you're getting it or not. If you're not getting it, then please ask. I will explain how you can do it.
I got the others. Can you explain how do you get the 70-degree for green? I got the rest.
Yeah, see, if you put the D like this, there will be 70 over here. Put a point and then join.
Understood, sir. Understood.
Understood, no? See, I'll use a D also if you want. Wait, just a moment. Okay. Now see, if I want to draw this pie chart, I can show only the horizontal one. I'll show you how you have to draw. This is your circle. Okay, and this is your center. Okay, this is your center. First, you can draw the horizontal line just anywhere. If I draw the horizontal line like this is also fine. You can draw the horizontal line or vertical line, any kind of line. That's completely fine. Now what I will do, I will take this D, and my first angle is what? That is 50 degree. So I'll take this D.
50.
I'll take this D. Wait, do I have an optimization option? No, I don't have.
Sir,
So
I
what
think
I will,
it's move. Yeah.
yeah, what I will do, I'll keep it like this. Okay, on the line like this. Done. Now what I have to draw? I have to draw 50 degree. Right? So where is the 50 degree point over here? You can see the 50 degrees point is over here. You will start from this 0, 10, 40, 50. So I'll put a point over here. Now what I will do, I'll remove this D. Right? Now whatever point I got, I will join them. Got it, Rahi?
Yes.
Yeah. See, now the problem is I cannot, means I can rotate this, but the problem is it gets rotated 90 degree. Now I cannot plot this over here like that over here. There is a problem because I'm using it digitally, no? I can use it. There are some other application where I can use, but that application won't work in this the smoother way which I'm using for this. Okay, got it? How to draw the degree? Yeah, so similar way you have to draw the
Yes.
rest of the degree. And now whatever is left over here, that will be 90 degree only. No need to, means even if you measure it, you can measure it, but this will be 90 degree only. Okay, the last one which is there in pink, this angle you should get automatically as 90 degree. Got it? Yeah, this should be 90. If the last one is not matching, that means something is wrong with your diagram. Got it? Yeah, that's it. Next. Now the next is the angles in a scrambled eggs. Sorry. The quantity of scrambled eggs is made using the following recipe. The ingredients are eggs, milk, butter, cheese, and salt or pepper. This grams they have given. Now calculate the angles on a pie chart corresponding to each ingredient. Now first what you will do? Total mass.
Add all of them together.
Yeah,
10
add.
divided by 360 divided by the
Yes,
total.
yes. Means your
Sir,
total.
but herein we will
600
get
grams.
Yeah.
600 total.
we will get the answer in points. Then how?
Maybe, wait, I'll tell you how much it will be. It's say for 450 plus 20 plus 39 plus 90 plus 1. Okay, let me use a.
600.
It is 600. Okay, let me verify it.
Yes.
It is 450 plus 20 plus 39 plus 90 plus 1. That gives you 600. Yeah, that's right. So finally, it gives you 600. So this is what your total mass, right? Now, what will be the angle for the given ingredients, right? Now, angle for X, angle for egg will be what percentage it is? That is 450 by 600 and multiply it with 360. Got it? Whatever
Sir, but
ratio,
why are you doing this?
what I'm doing?
450 upon 600 into 360. Shouldn't it be 100 for percentage?
100 what?
Shouldn't it be 100 Because you're finding percentage, right, instead of 360.
Okay, fine. Maybe it is taught in your school to find the percentage first. Okay, let's do it by percentage then. What
No,
is the
no, it's not taught or anything, but
okay? No, no,
what is the answer to it?
no. Wait, I'll tell you.
You have to
See,
calculate the angles.
yeah, we have to
Sir, I have a
calculate.
doubt.
Yeah.
Not regarding this, but regarding the pie chart drawing
Hmm.
part.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, how much angle deviation do they allow? Like, it should be
What
exactly
ang
the
Acha, what angle deviation? Actually, if you draw it properly, then there will be no deviation. You have the D means it is approximately the deviation they would allow will be one or 2 degree maybe. That's it.
so
Not
mine is 2 degree short. So is it wrong then?
degree short means acha. The final answer you are not getting 90 degree over there. That's what you are saying?
Yeah, some 92 or something.
Acha. The final one you're getting it as 92. Fine, then we can't help it. You won't be means you don't have to draw it again and again. You can leave it. You can say it as 90 degree, the last one. It happens with everyone. But what you can
Okay,
do is you can in from the beginning only you have to draw it properly. So then the final one will not be a mistake.
got it.
Okay? Fine. Parnika, I can see. Yeah, fine. No problem. Yeah. The next one. Now, so over here, if I want to calculate, see, you can also calculate by percentage and then degree, or you can directly calculate the degree. So what you want to do, first percentage, then degree, or directly the degree? Yeah,
I don't know. Anything works, but it should be easier, which is easier.
both are easy.
And teaches both, and we can choose.
Okay, you can choose. Very means smart. Okay. Now, first, you can calculate the percentage of x. Percentage of x. What is the percentage of x? See, that is 450 out of 600 into 100 you will do. This will be the percentage. So what is the percentage? 0 cancel 450 divided by
75.
450
75.
divided by 6. Yeah, you guys have that calculator no in your hand. So that is 75%. Now this is 75%. Now what is 75% of 360? To find what is the angle, now what is 75% of 360? Because there are 360 degrees. So that will be 75 by 100 into 360. So you get the 0, no, 10 will get cancelled,
270.
right?
270 degrees.
Yeah, you're getting 270 degrees. Fine. So you'll get 270 degrees. Okay, you can also calculate this directly. So angle for x will be equal to what is the fraction? 450 out of 600 it is. So write 450 out of 600 and then directly multiply it with 360. That is also fine.
Oh,
Okay.
okay.
This zero gets cancelled. This zero gets cancelled. 6 are and 45 into 6 is again 270. So which one is easy for you?
This one.
Yeah?
450 upon
Which one is easy?
450 upon 600 into
The
361.
second
The
one
second
directly
one.
the directly finding the angle. Okay, that will do. You can do that also because there means two students have told me about percentage. That's why I've given you how to calculate the percentage also. Just a moment, guys. Okay. Yeah, now it's fine. Right? So angle for eggs. The next is angle for milk. You can find what will be the angle for milk. What is the portion, total portion? That is 20 out of 360. So sorry, 20 out of 600 into just multiply it with 360. So 0 cancel, 0 cancel over here also. 2 3s are, 3 12s are. So it will be 12 degree. Okay, this will be 12 degree. Next, angle for similarly you can do for butter, for cheese, and for salt and pepper. You can do it and you can draw the pie chart, or you want me to draw it? Just tell me.
No need, sir.
Not required, no? You
No
can,
need, sir.
no, not required, no? Okay, fine. If there is anyone who want me to draw the pie chart, you can tell. Otherwise, I'll not draw. Next one. The next is calculate the angle on a pie chart corresponding to the quantities of A, B, C, D, E given in the tables. It is the same way. You first add all of them. 3 plus 5 plus 3 plus 7. What it gives? That is 8. 8 plus 3 is 11 and 11 plus 7 is 18. So what you will do? 3 by 18. Angle for A. 3 by 18 into 360. Whatever you will get, that will be the angle for A. Getting it? Yeah? Everyone? You can nod your face, guys. Or you can also raise your hands. Yeah? Okay, fine. Now, similar is the second one, and the third one is also the same way. You can do it, no? You can do the pie chart. Now, the next question. The next is a firm making artificial sand sold its products in 4 countries. Okay, they have given whatever they are manufacturing. They are manufacturing what firm making artificial sand, and they are selling this product in 4 countries. 5% were sold in Spain, in France, and then Germany, and in UK. They have given the percentage for each one of them. What would be the angle on a pie chart drawn to represent this information? Now, whatever
So 5% we take it as 5 degree, right?
no, no,
I divided by 100 times
it is
360.
5% angle for, you can write over here, angle
Oh
for
yeah.
Spain. Angle for Spain. It will be 5% of 360 degree. We have the 100 as 360, no, over here, right? In a percent, we have 100 as the whole. In a degree, we have 360 as the whole. So it will be 5% of 360. So what is 5% of 360? That is 5 by 100 of 360. Got it? So it will be whatever the answer is. This gets cancelled. 5 twos are, and then this is 18. So you get 18 degree. So you draw the 18 degree and mention it as the Spain. Means if you draw it, you can draw it like this. This is your 18 degree and this will be your Spain. Got it? The next one for 15 degree, that is 15% of 360. That will be 18 into 3. 18 into 3 is how much? 54. So the next angle will be like this, which will be 54 degree, and this will be for France. Got it? Again 15%, again it will be 54. This will be for Germany. Yeah. The rest is 65%. Now 65% of 360. That is 360 into 0.65. That gives you 234. Got it? So that
So,
will be 234 degree.
sir,
Start. Now the next question. It is what this is how you have to draw the pie chart for this question. Okay. Now we'll go to the next question. Now the weight of ABC are in the ratio 2 is to 3 is to 4. Calculate the angles representing A, B and C on a pie chart. See the total ratios they have, that is 2 is to 3 is to 4. So whenever anything is there in ratio, the sum of all the ratios will give the total, right? So if I want to calculate what is the means what part of A is there, first what I will do, let the weight be let the weights of A, B and C be 2x, 3x and 4x, right? Their total weight will be what? 2x plus 3x plus 4x, that is 2x, 2x plus 3x plus 4x, that gives you 9x. So angle for weight A, angle for weight A will be equal to, that is 2x upon 9x into 360. This x and x will get cancelled. 9 fours are 36. 2 into 40, that is 80 degree. You got this 80 degree? Got it? How to draw the angle? Yeah? This will be 80 degree, and the next one will be this. For this, you will get 80 degree. For this, 4 threes are 120 degree, and for this, you will get 160 degree. Sum of all of them is 360, is it? Let me check.
Yes.
120 plus 160 plus 80 gives you 360. Yeah, that's it. Means for A it is 80 degree, for B it is 120 degree, and for C it is 160 degree. You draw the pie chart like this. Not like this. You draw a pie chart like this. First draw 80 degree for A, then the other one is 120 degree for B. So 120 degree will be an obtuse angle, but not equal to this. This will be a 120 degree for B, and the other one will be 160 degree for C. Got it? You can do it? Yeah, everyone? Yes or no? Okay, fine. Chalo. Next question.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. The next. Can you guys try by yourself this? Please try by yourself. See over here
Yes,
what we
sir, I
have to do.
couldn't get out.
Yeah, fine, I'll solve. The cooking time for meals L, M, N are in the ratio 3 is to 7 is to X. So you can take the cooking times as, for L you can say 3K, for M you can say 7K, and for N you can say KX. Yeah, you can write this. Instead of taking X, since there is already X over here, that's why I'm not writing X as over here. Now on a pie chart, the angle corresponding to L is 60 degree. Means if you draw a pie chart, okay, and the angle corresponding to L means this is 60 degree, which is L, but L is equals to 3K. That means 3K equals 60 degree. That means K equals how much? 20 degree. Got it? K equals 20, you can say. Right? Now, that means these ratios are in what? 3 is to 7 is to 20x. Wait. Yeah, it is in the ratio 3 is to 7. Now on a pie chart, the angle corresponding to L is 60 degree. We know that. What do we know? Sum of all of them is 360. So if this is your M, I don't know what is the ratio of M. You can say if this is your, what is the angle of M? Now we can calculate what is the angle of M, right? If this is 60 degree, then what will be the angle for M? So for M it will be 7 into K, that gives you 7 into 20, that means 140 degree. That means this is 140 degree for M. For M, it is 140 degree. So whatever is left, that will be for N. Right? So what is for N? For N it is, now 140 plus 60 is 200. So what is left? 160 degree left for N. But 160 will be equal to Kx. 160 degree is equals to Kx. Now what is the value of K? K is 20. So X equals 8. Fine. Some of you must have solved the same problem, maybe from a different method. Is there anyone?
Yes, I
Yeah,
have done it from a
different method. Yeah, there are many methods. Means you can solve it by any method. That is fine. The next. The result of an opinion poll of 2000 people are represented on a pie chart. The angle corresponding to don't know is 18 degree. How many people in the sample did not know? Can you guys give the answer of this? You try by yourself if you don't get it, and then I'll solve. Fine. So there is no one, I think. So let's go to the next question now. Fine. See over here. How do we solve it? See over here. It is for ISO, it is 81 degrees, no? So 81 degree is actually what percentage they are asking. So 80 degree Means 80 out of 360. Suppose if you get 80 marks out of 360, what is the percentage of this? What you will do? You'll directly multiply it with 100, no? Yeah. So that's it. This 0 cancel, this 0, no, it will not get cancelled. So then you just multiply, means solve it 800 by 36. 800 divided by 36 gives you 22 point, wait, I'm getting a different answer. 800 by 36, no? 800 divided by 36.
Sir, it is
Sir, it is
81.
81.
Oh, it is 81. That's why I'm not getting a proper answer. It is 81. So it is 22.5%. You'll get it. Yeah. So similarly, if jet accounts for 12.5% of total sales, means 12.5 it is, means this is 12.5. Calculate the angle of x and y. If y is 12.5 percentage, so 12.5 percentage of 12.5% of 360 is what? That is 12.5 upon 100 into 360. Right? This 0 get cancelled. This will be 1.25 into 36. Yeah. So that is 1.25 into 36 is what? 1.25 into 36.
45.
That is 45. So that will be 45 degree. Means over here it will be 45 degree. Yeah. For jet it is 45. Now calculate the angle of x and y. Now if you need to find the x, that is 360 minus 81 minus 120 minus 45. Right? So that will be 360 minus what it is? 81 minus 120 minus 45. That gives you 114 degree. So this will be 114 degree. Clear?
Yes, I got that.
Yeah, got it, no? Fine. Next. Now let's move to the next question. Over here. Now what is given? Percentage of total spent. They have given press, television, poster, cinema and radio, and total is the 100%. Total will always be 100 because it is in percentage. Okay. In Spain, money was spent on advertisement in the press, television, poster, etc. The incomplete table and a pie chart shows the way this was divided between the media. Calculate the angle of sector representing television and complete the pie chart. Okay. So calculate the angle of sector representing television. So television is 40, no? 40 out of 100. So television is 40%. Television is 40%. Now what is 40% of 360? Now 40% of 360 will be equal to 40 by 100 into 360. That gives you 4 into 36. 72, 140, 140, 144 degree. So calculate the angle of sector representing television and complete the pie chart. So for television, it is how much? 144 degree. So maybe it is like this. 144 degree. This is television. We need to complete the pie chart over here. Right? Now for poster, we don't know. Calculate the angle of, this is done. The angle of sector representing poster is 18 degree. This is 18 degree. This is 18 degree. Calculate percentage spent on poster and hence complete the table. So if it is 18 degree, so 18 upon 360 into 100 you will get the percentage for poster. Yeah. So percentage of poster will be, it is 18 parts by 360. There is 18 degree of poster. And if you want to calculate the percentage, multiply it with 100. So 0 cancel. 18 twos are, no, it is not 18 twos are. 6 threes are, 6 six are. 3 twos are, 3 ones are, and this is 2 fives are. So it is 5%. It is what? 5%. So poster is 5%. Fine. The next one. What they have calculated the percentage spent on poster and hence complete the table. Now, what will be over here? How do we calculate it? Can anyone tell me? Vyom and Ved and this guys will not tell. Yeah, Ashmi, can you tell me how do we find cinema percentage? Ashmi, can you tell me how do you find Parnika, Rahi?
Can I?
Yeah,
Can I?
Rahi, yeah,
So it
please.
is 51 plus 40 plus 5 plus 3 plus x equals 100.
Yeah, perfect. That it will.
So then you just x equals
Yeah, means whatever
total
the
minus
total
5.
count is, means whatever the total means the total has to be 100, no? That's why. Yeah. So what it is exactly? It is let's calculate 51
Answer is
plus
1.
40. Yeah, wait. Plus 5 plus 3. Yeah, 99 it is. So the answer is 1. For cinema it is 1%. Even if they ask what is the degree? What is the degree for cinema? Then 1 by 360 of 60. 1 by 360 into 100. So that gives you 100 divided by 360. Sorry.
Sir, you'll do 1 by 100 into 360.
Yeah, sorry. 1 by 100 into
3.6.
360. Yeah. So that is 360 divided by 100. So that will give you 3.6 degrees. Yeah. For cinema, if they ask what is the angle, so it will be 3.6 degrees. Since it is coming in decimal, that's why they have not asked. Okay. Next. So how many of you know the next thing which we have, stem and leaf diagram? How many of you know it? Now let's move to the next question which we have. Yeah, over here the diagram illustrates the production of apples in two countries. So for what they have given, in what UK 470,000 tons and over here France 950,000 tons. In what way could the pictorial display be regarded as misleading? What is misleading in it?
Should we send them chat?
Yeah, you can tell, no problem. Yeah, what is misleading in the
Size.
size?
The
Yeah,
France, the
yeah,
production of apples are double, but the apple looks more than twice the size of the
okay,
first apple.
okay, yeah, yeah, that's the right answer.
The size only, right?
Yeah, the size only, yeah. See, over here it is 470 and it is 950. 950 is not the double of 470 actually. Is it? 450 is 900. Yeah,
It's
it is
Double.
double plus 10.
double plus 10. But even if you see this apple and this apple, it is more than the size, the double. I think it looks triple the size. See, one apple will be over here. One apple can fit over here. See, this apple can fit over here. One apple can fit over here. Then one more apple over here. Got it? So it looks like there are three apple areas. Yeah, the graph shows the performance of a company in a year in which a new manager was appointed. In what way is the graph misleading? Again, what is wrong in this? See, I have told you on the x-axis it can start, but on the y-axis, what I have said? Yeah, Manav, can you give me the answer of this? What is misleading in this question? Which is wrong in this question?
It doesn't start from zero on the y-axis.
Yeah, it does not start from 0 on the y-axis. That's the answer. Why? Because see, on the y-axis it should always start from 0. On the x-axis we are representing an object, no? So it is nothing like we have to start from 0 or anything. But on the y-axis it should start from 0 because there is some count on y-axis. That's why. Next.
Sir, I think the answer should be
Yeah.
disproportional month gaps because they have taken profit as the thing. So
What disproportional
I'll just
month
check the
gaps?
answer key also.
Yeah,
Yeah.
wait. Jan, Feb, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, January. That's right. The gaps are fine. There is 3 month
Sir,
gap.
June, January, February, March, April, June. Sir, it's June, July. So that is only two, na?
Acha, April, May and June.
March.
After April, there is May.
April, May, June,
But
twice.
the y-axis thing is also right now. So can we
Yeah,
write 2 points?
no, no,
Y-axis is correct.
the
I think it's
y-axis
only
only, it's only on y-axis. There is nothing wrong on the
Oh,
x-axis. It's right.
Sir, it's okay. Got it.
Jan, Feb, March, April, Feb. Got it? Ved? Yeah? Okay, fine. Next. The next is how to draw the stem and leaf diagram. Okay, I will directly take an example and tell you how to draw the stem and leaf diagram. Okay. Now the next question which we have over here from the exercise 2, we'll directly take the exercise problem and solve it over here only. Okay, how do we draw the stem and leaf diagram? The marks scored by 25 students in a history test are as follows. Okay, and they have given this marks. Okay, draw the stem and leaf diagram to display this data. Okay, we need to display this data. Now, what will be the stem and leaf in this? See, if I draw the stem and leaf in this, see, this will be your stem and this will be your leaves. Okay, this will be your leaf.
so why is the name stem and leaf? Could you explain?
What?
What is the relation of a leaf and a stem here?
Yeah, I'll tell you, no, the relation, obviously I'll tell you once I
Well, no,
start.
as in real life.
In real life, okay. Now if I want to draw the stem and leaf, see what I will do, the stems I will draw in tens. Okay. So 10, 20, 30, 40. Now this readings, what is the lowest value which I have? That is 20. So what I will do, 2 over here,
Where is 20?
21, the lowest value which I have. Yeah. After that, I will write 3, 4, 5, 6, like this. Over here, in this, the two 20s, 30s, 40s, 50s, and 60s will be as the stem of the tree. See what is stem and leaf? These are the stems of a tree, right? And the stem have different leaves, no, on it. And it can be one or two or how any it can be, right? So in the same way we are drawing the stem and leaf diagram, right? So if it is 62, what I will do? 60 over here, 2 over here I will write.
And
Yeah.
70 also.
What? 70 also, yeah,
And
70 is also there. 70 is also there. Yeah. After that, 45. So 45 how I will draw? 40 and then 5. You can also write an explanation over here. 4 dash 5 means, this means 45. Meaning of this you can write over here. This means 45. So this is 45 and then this is 53. So 53 over here. Then
So, but
this
it
is the,
only has to be in ascending order, right?
yeah, it has to be in ascending order, but in the beginning we can't do it. First you have to draw without any order and after that again you have to draw the stem and leaf diagram with order. Okay. So after that
Sir, but the
76.
better thing is you can just arrange the numbers in ascending order, then do it, right? Instead of
No,
drawing
no,
two
no, no,
stem
no,
and leaf.
no, no. It will
Because in our
consume, it
school
will,
they taught us like that.
okay, but it will consume more time. It will consume more time.
Sir,
Yeah.
there is one quick way to do. Like for 20s, you can make like a underline, and for 30s, you can circle. So that helps identifying quickly.
That can
Like
also be
different,
done, but see, it makes sometimes it makes mistake, means you miss some
yeah,
numbers. That happens. That's why I don't recommend that. Okay. So better is go
yes.
in line only. You can cancel these numbers, right? We have done all these numbers. Now the next 60. So 60 means 60 and 0. So you can write 0 over here. 60 is done, then 45. So 45 again I'll write 5 over here, right? Next is 33. So write over here 3. Next is 64. There is no confusion while doing it. Okay, you don't have to think, you just keep on doing it. 53. Next 36. Then 71. Then 42. 26, 48, then 62, then 66, 29, 37, 21, 74, then 48, 56, 52, 68, and then 62, the last one. Fine. Now there is no confusion. I'm very much sure that whatever I have done is completely right. I don't need to check also. Okay. I know the complete count which I have written is perfectly right. Okay. After this, what I will do, I will write them in ascending order. Okay. So what I will do again, I'll draw the stem and leaf. So now what I will do, if this is your stem and this is your leaf, I'll write them in the ascending order. So this is 2, and then I'll write 1, 6, 9. Then this is 3, then this will be 3, 6, 7. Then this is 4, then it is 2, 5, 5, 8, 8. Then it is 5, then it is 2, 3, 3, 6. Then when it is 6, it is 0, there are 3 2's. Then there is 1 time 4, 6, and then 8. And then this is 1, 4, 6. Now this is what you are done for stem and leaf diagram. Okay. Now the next thing is draw a stem and leaf diagram to display this data. We have drawn the stem and leaf data. Okay, diagram. What is the median score for the student? Now, what is median? I hope you guys know. What is median? Yeah, anyone, please tell me what
Middle
is mid?
value.
What?
Middle value.
Middle value.
Median is the middle value.
Okay. What is the middle
Yeah.
value of 4, 5, 6, 7? What is the middle value now?
5.5.
5.5.
5.5. Take the average of the two, which two are, when there are even number of objects, you have to take the average of the two places, right? Now, similarly over here, this 25 is an odd number. So what will be the median over here? Since it is an odd, so median will be
13.
equal to,
13. 13.
yeah,
50,
that is n plus 1 by 2
52.
observation. Okay, observation. So n is how much? N is 25 plus 1 by 2 observation.
Why did you take 25?
Yeah, I'll tell you. 26 plus 1, that is 30th observation. Because there are 25 readings in it. A marks scored by 25 students they have given. The total number of readings which we have, that they are 25. Means even if you count this total numbers, there are 25 numbers given on the screen.
Oh,
Okay, so that's why there are 25 students. So 13th observation is your median. So you can also calculate what is
53.
13th in this. So this is first,
53,
second,
sir.
third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th, 12th, and 13th. So this is your 13th. So that is 53. Okay. So this 53 is your median. That is for the 13th observation is 53. Got it? The next thing. The next thing is write down the range of the score. So the range of the score is the maximum value minus the minimum value. So the maximum value is 76 and the minimum value is 21. The lowest value and the highest value. Yeah. Next. The range is 76 minus 21. See, the maximum value is 76 and the minimum value is 21. So 76 minus 21. So that is 76 minus
55.
21. That is 55. So this is what your range is. Okay. We'll be solving the similar type of questions in the next class. Okay. Chalo then, bye for now. You guys can come with your doubts in the next class. Okay. Chalo then. Bye bye everyone.